Well, this is Chris. I'm here with Carson, and we're overlooking the bird sanctuary over here, where we got the pelicans and seabirds hanging out together, roosting together. Yeah, I see him cleaning himself there. There's Mr. Pelican. Yeah, that's Granddaddy. That's a pretty big one there. Uh-huh. Oh my God, it's a beautiful bird. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, you can hear them in the background, all those birds. Here comes to see, he got something to eat there, that pelican. He just caught him something. Yeah. You got to see, there's a seabird coming right at you, Carson. Yeah. Yeah, he does. I love these birds. And the general consensus is there's more on the east coast here of Florida than there used to be. It's another little island. I think some of them come from the Gulf. And we got that other little island out there.
That looks like an island full.
Yeah, Papa just came up and crept up on Carson. Yeah.
Hey,
Yeah.
You know what he's doing now? He got a date tonight. He's doing himself for his girlfriend. He's home in his bad cat on. Look at him.
Yeah.
Hey, Red feels good scratch this in the head like that.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
I think his foot scratched his head, but he's falling off first a little bit.
How they twist their neck like that? It's unbelievable.
I don't know.
Yeah. There's Papa next to me. Papa Bill. Me and Carson. Yeah, turn around, smile for a second there, Car. There you go. There you go. Yeah. Alright. Well, that's it for now. A short video about the birds. Alright. Down in Florida. Bye, y'all.